I remember 1 year ago, I have to spend 1 to 2 hours every week to update the PowerPoint presentation using same data points and charts. And then I decided to automate the presentation so that whenever I update the Excel sheet, my PowerPoint presentation must be updated automatically. And from then, I'm spending just 5 minutes to review my PowerPoint slides. In this video, in next 7 minutes, I will share the steps through which you can automate your PowerPoint slides and you can save your valuable time. So open your PowerPoint slides which you are updating frequently and the source Excel sheet in which you are keeping your data. While learning, you can automate your PowerPoint. So let's start. First part is preparation of Excel sheet having the data and which you want to link with PowerPoint slides. So the Excel sheet have expenditure and revenue data of different zones, and based on data we have created a performance chart. Now to show the required data in PowerPoint presentation we have used different function. So to show total expenditure and revenue from given data we have used some function. For maximum profit, max function, and to show the zone having maximum value, index match function is used. For today's date, we have used today function. For summary, I used concatenate function. Remember, merge the cells if the text width is larger than the cell width. Now, similarly, you can use different functions like VLOOKUP to create data points which you want to show in PowerPoint slide. So I have arranged all the data in single sheet, but you can use multiple sheets if you have more data points or according to the number of slides. The second part is the preparation of PowerPoint presentation. And suppose we are preparing this slide every week having table, few data points, the chart and the summary. Now to automate, first create a copy of the presentation and remove all the charts, data points, tables from your slides. So it will be your template. So I save the PPT as dashboard template.pptx. Now first to show the table, go to Excel sheet and copy the table using Control C. Now in PowerPoint presentation, in Home tab, click on arrow below the paste option and select Paste Spatial. In Paste Spatial dialog box, select Paste Link Radio button and select Microsoft Excel Worksheet object. Click OK. The table is copied. Arrange the table in the PowerPoint presentation. Now similarly, to copy the chart, select the chart, copy it, and in PowerPoint presentation, follow the same steps. Click on arrow below the paste button, select paste spatial option, click on paste link option button, select Microsoft Excel chart object and click OK. The chart is copied. Arrange the chart and table in PowerPoint slide. Now to test, go to Excel and make changes in the table. The corresponding table data and chart will be updated automatically. Now to copy the individual data, copy the cell and follow the similar steps. So I copied H16 having total employees and in PowerPoint slide, click on button below the paste option, select paste special option. In paste special, select paste link option button, select Microsoft Excel worksheet object and click OK. The data is copied. Move it to the required place. Now similarly, copy all the other required data from Excel cells to PowerPoint slide using the same steps. Now save the PowerPoint slide and Excel sheet. To test, go to Excel sheet and make changes in the data, and the corresponding values will be updated in the PowerPoint slide also. Now similarly in Excel sheet, the cell O2 is showing today's date, which I will use in the slide number 1 using the same step. Now to add the summary, copy the cell in which concatenate function is used. Follow the same step. Arrange the text in required position. Now the presentation is ready. Change the data, the corresponding dates, the comments will change automatically. If you share this file as is, then the file will show this message to other people because the linked Excel is not available in their system. So before sharing, save a copy. So I'm saving a file using current date. Now go to File, select Info option and click on Edit Links to Files option. In Links dialog, select the link and click on Break Link option. Do the same step for all the links available. Close the dialog box. Save the file. Now the presentation is ready to share. So in last 7 minutes, I told you how to automate your PowerPoint presentation from Excel data. If you have any query, share in the comment section. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.